There's a lot of things that have been getting me excited about the hobby lately, and a big part of that is you guys. I want to start off with Blaine soap. We began making soap around the same time, so it's been really cool to see his progression. This is his unscented base, and I've got nothing but good things to say. The performance is there, and the feel is there. And after smelling his forbidden roots, I'm really looking forward to see what he does next. Also, I'm using the Yaqi synthetic brush. This was gifted to me by Nick, El Mezcalero. It has great backbone, and I've been really enjoying synthetics lately. I still love my Badger and Boar, but synthetics sit right in that perfect middle ground. I've been giving face lathering more attention as well. It's not something that I usually do, but I do like switching things up from time to time. And yes, I know I have a few requests for lather tutorials, and I'll get to that eventually, but for now, I'm just going to keep doing my thing and enjoying the process. There's a lot of other videos that I need to push out first. And talking about videos that I need to make first, the next couple of videos will be just some honing videos. I got the black shadow from Greg Gallant, so I'll be giving that a second try. After that, the green shadow from Wes. Thank you guys for sending those stones out to me to try and compare. And finally, the ILR, Imperia LaRocchia? I have no idea. Thank you, Marion the Barbarian, for sending that out to me. We've been really spending some good quality time together, talking honing, sharing ideas, just having a blast. He's quickly becoming a really good friend. And speaking of good friends, Zach, you have been nailing those JNat edges lately. That last one that you made a video on looked fantastic. A really good friend of mine, Robert Pascal, if you guys didn't know, well, now you know. He's been making some really cool stuff with brushes lately. I really love the craftsmanship that he does. He's just talented in everything that he does. He just gets it like right off the bat, and I think he's going to make some serious waves once he starts selling his brushes. On my end, I've been exploring pastes. Specifically, I got into playing with paste because my good friend Leon, the long haul tanker, as you guys know him, was playing on paste on glass. And so I have that in the back of my mind. I'll be playing with that in the future. And when it comes to the soap, your guys' advice and opinions and everything you guys told me about the different test batches that I sent was spot on. So it feels like the base is like getting there. I also got to try the Aqua Velva Ice Blue from Williams. Thank you, Carlitos. I do enjoy the Williams a little bit more than the one we get here in North America. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wow. What a fucking awesome shave, dude. That was awesome. Alright, guys, have a good one. Blaine, that is an awesome base, man. Really. I hope you get it just how you want it, and that you start selling it, brother, because that base is great. Really good job, man.